Hi, my name is Lawrence, and this is our Orbital project. My partner's name is Jonathan, and we're going to do a 2D side-scrolling survival game. As a comparison, this is how the game looks like previously. And this is what the game looks like now. So for the differences for this milestone tree is that we have created many more scripts. So now the scripts are neater and it's much easier for us to implement different stuff. So for the game now, the character now is idle, so he'll move by himself. The inventory system is more finalized. So we have your upper limit for what you can store for your wood, stone, clay, everything. Right, so now we've added in more animations so that it's clearer what happens during the game. So for example, in the previous update, when the clay is too soft, when it breaks, there's no animation, so it's not clear towards the player what happened. Now if I were to make a clay vase. Oh, and this is the random event that we have. So now when the clay is too soft because there's no fire, so when I click it, the clay breaks. So this transition is much clearer and easier for the players to understand. And now that with every action we take, there is a 30% probability that a random event will be generated. And this will make the game much more interesting and challenging for the players. And as of now, we have decided to actually remove the level system and made it such that everything will be done on one level and whatever you build will just stack on each other. And currently we are working on the combat system. It's not up yet. So for our future updates, what we plan to do is to make the diary more interactive. As you can see now, the diary only has a single page, and we plan to add in a second page that stores all the players' achievements, and maybe a third page to store maybe statistics like his high score, what's the longest number of days he has survived, and so on. And probably we'll add more animations for the player when he's idle. As of now, he's only moving left and right. Perhaps in future he'll have a waving animation. As of now, we can only build a fire and vase and trap, but we have much more plans in future to create tent, and future for over here there'll be a spear. So for now the tent looks like this, and we plan to implement it such that with a tent you can increase the capacity for how much you can store. So for example, maybe food you can store 5 units, wood you can store even more than 12. And that's it for the current progress.